Welcome to Philosophy in Review. Today our discussion is about David Hume. David Hume was a Scottish philosopher who is considered one of the most important figures in the history of Western thought. His philosophy can be broadly characterized as a form of empiricism that emphasizes the role of experience in human knowledge and morality. Hume's most famous work is A Treatise of Human Nature, in which he argues that all knowledge is derived from experience. He further argues that our understanding of the world is limited to what we can experience through our senses. Hume also discusses that there is no such thing as innate ideas, and that all our ideas are derived from experience. Hume's moral philosophy is based on the idea of the moral sense, which is a faculty that allows us to distinguish between right and wrong. Hume argues that the moral sentiment is not based on reason, but rather on emotion. He further argues that morality is not objective, but rather is relative to human nature. Hume's philosophy has been adopted by a wide range of thinkers, including Immanuel Kant, Friedrich Nietzsche, Bertrand Russell, and Richard Dawkins. Hume's ideas have also been influential in the fields of law, politics, science and economics. Here are four of the key concepts of Hume's philosophy. 1. Empiricism, the view that all knowledge is derived from experience. 2. Skepticism, the view that we can never know anything with certainty. 3. Moral sentimentalism, the view that morality is based on the moral sentiment, which is a feeling of approval or disapproval that we experience when we witness an action. 4. Naturalism, the view that everything in the universe is governed by natural laws. Hume's had three famous arguments he made in his writings. The first is the argument against induction. Hume argues that we cannot justify our belief in the future based on our experience of the past. He argues that there is no logical connection between the past and the future, and that therefore we cannot know with certainty that the future will be like the past. The second is the argument against miracles. Hume argues that miracles are not possible because they violate the laws of nature. He argues that the laws of nature are uniform, and that therefore they cannot be broken. Lastly, the argument against the existence of God. Hume argues that the existence of God cannot be proved by reason. He argues that the only way to prove the existence of God is by experience, but that we cannot have experience of God. Hume's philosophy has been criticized for being too skeptical and for its lack of a foundation for morality. Also, as you might suspect, Hume's arguments have been controversial. However, Hume's ideas have also been praised for their insights into the nature of knowledge, morality, and human nature. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share to help us produce more videos for you.